Okay, kiddos, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a copy of a Google document that I share with you so that you can annotate it yourself without having to print it out or anything like that. So this is your class notebook here. When you're here, you're going to click this little button and you can go, obviously I can see all of y'all's names, but you'll just see the welcome, the collaboration, the content space, all that good stuff. So I'm going to go to the content library. And let's say the syllabus, right? Obviously I have my tab for the reading, but let's say the syllabus is what I wanna work with here. So I'm gonna click on that. And at the top of all of your readings, I create all of our readings in Google Docs first. So the top of all of your readings is gonna be the most updated link to this reading. So what you can do is you can either just click directly on it and it'll take you there, or you can double click or click on the right side of your keyboard. You can open it, you can copy it, however you want to do. So let's say I clicked open link, and I'm going to come over here. This is what it's going to take me to. This is your syllabus. You can see in this corner, it says you can request edit access. You are not going to click that. Don't click that. You can only view this one, right? You can't edit this one. So there's no way you can annotate it. This is my copy. This will also always be the most updated copy that you can see. So instead, what you're going to do for your account, whether you're, see, I'm in my Gmail right now, whether you're in your Gmail or whether you're in your GMCS email, you can do this. You're going to go to File, make a copy, and then you're going to name it. So what you're going to name it, let's say you're going to name it your last name, and then whatever the name of it is. If you have a folder you want to put it in, you can put it in whatever folder you want to put it in right here in your own drive. And click OK, and it'll take you directly to that copy. Once I make my editable copy, I like to exit out so that I know what copy I'm working in. I'm working in my copy, right? Then so this is due for edits for Ms. McLean. So then, okay, ooh, we're gonna examine our country's history. That looks important, right? And we're gonna underline that because that's one of our editing strategies. Then you can format it. So the ways that you can format it are underline, right? Another thing we do in our edits is to box things. So if I want to box something, instead on the computer, I'm going to change the color of it. So I think this is really important. I'm going to make it orange. Go Bengals. That's the same as boxing it. So underlining it up here on the bar, boxing it, change the color of it right here. Finally, if I need to highlight something really important, this sentence tells me the objectives of this class. That's super important. That's what this whole document's about. I can highlight it. I'm going to highlight it yellow. So underlining, boxing is changing the color on a computer, and highlighting is yellow. I might also need to summarize something, right? So if I need to make a one-sentence summary, that's going to be like a comment or a side note. Maybe I need to know what the word cite means. Maybe I looked it up. My comment is going to say cite equals to give credit to. So that's like my little definition, right? And then let's say Ms. McLean has asked you for a one-sentence summary here, like this. You come across this, right? And once you've watched the annotation guide, you'll know more about this, but you can type your summary in here. Then when you're done annotating the document for me, you can hit share, and you can get the link. You can copy the link so that I can view your annotations, and you can turn this link in that you just copied in Teams and assignments. You can turn the link in. Or if you prefer to turn it in as a document, you can go to File, Download, Microsoft document, PDF document, however you want to do that. Now I will warn you, if you download this as a PDF, your comments won't show up. So I will not be able to see your comments. So I highly recommend downloading it as a Microsoft Word document or sharing the link with me so that I can see those comments that you're making. And that is how you make your own copy of a document so that you can do annotations for Ms. McLean's class on the computer.